Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video we are going to talk about 10 indie beauty brands that are homegrown, have a lot of products in skincare, hair care, body care, like the personal care category. So in this video I'm going to talk about brands that have personal care products, not cosmetics or makeup products. I will be covering them separately in a different video. In this video I have picked 10 brands that have tremendous potential and have really good amazing products that deliver results, and I have personally tried them, and I have never done any such video, but I thought it's high time, and because of the Vocal for Local initiative, a lot of people are interested in exploring local Indian homegrown brands. So this video might be helpful for some of you if you're interested in trying out our own homegrown brands. I'm going to start with Juicy Chemistry. I am sure if you are a long time follower or subscriber of my channel or my Instagram, you might have already seen me talking about a lot of Juicy Chemistry products. So Juicy Chemistry is an organic brand. They have all the products that are certified organic. So the products have everything organically, ethically sourced, and the brand has a lot of products. I have tried out a lot of products from them. My personal favorite would be the Chili Hot Stale Hair Regrowth Serum, their Argan Hair Oil, the Kakadu Plum Face Serum, and their Rose Hip Lip Balm. I have already done a video on top 10 products from Juicy Chemistry. I'm going to link it on the top, and you can just watch it and check out. They focus more on sustainable beauty, so their packaging is also mostly plastic free, which is something I really admire. I've already bought a couple of more products from them very recently. I'm waiting for the shipment to arrive, and I'm definitely going to do a haul video, and then after a certain period of time I'm going to share my thoughts on whatever I'm trying new. So next brand is the Earth Rhythm. You might have already seen me talking about this brand on this channel already. I'm going to link up the video on the top. I've also tried 10 products from the brand and I have done a video on it. So this brand is again natural. Products are formulated with ethically sourced, natural, mostly organic ingredients. They do not have any synthetic ingredient in the formulations. I have personally been loving a lot of products from them. In fact, they have come up with few makeup products as well, which I'll be covering in a separate video, but I personally love their Kashay face palette. Their Bakuchiol serum is really good. Their face mask, glow face mask, is really good. I really like their cleansing buff powder cleansers, and their shampoo bars are amazing. So I am going to link up that video which I made a couple of months ago in the top, on the top somewhere in the cards, and you just go and check it out. I have explained and talked about the products I was using in detail. I'm still using a lot of products and I am expecting another shipment with a lot of new products. So I'm going to test those out and will share my views in the future videos. So next brand is Sapphire Botanics. This is a plant-based brand. Like, all the products are plant-based, botanical ingredient based formulations. It's a small brand. They have, I think, 7 or 8 products right now. I have tried their Glow and Unage facial oils. Both are amazing, and I have also tried their Strip cleansing balm, which is again a really amazing product. They have eco-friendly packaging, so they are trying to be a very sustainable beauty brand is also vegan and cruelty free. Next, we'll talk about Fiducia Botanicals. So this is again an ethical and sustainable beauty brand. All the products, all the formulations are made from organic ingredients. Those are ethically sourced. So from Fiducia Botanicals, I'm testing out quite a lot of products. In fact, I'm testing out 6 products at the moment. I really love their brightening serum, brightening and hydrating serum. It's an amazing product. I also love their Prickly Pear Everlasting night cream. It's a really good, rich, perfect cream for dry skin. And I am also loving their Calendula Oats facial cleanser and their PHA facial face wash. So I'm also going to include those products in one of the videos that I'm going to do in future, but right now I'm testing out the products, and it's been more than a month, I think more than 2 months, that I've been testing out a lot of products from them, and I personally really enjoy the formulations. The formulations are very clean. They have all plant-based, botanical, organic ingredients. What else can you ask for? Next is again an organic and GMO free, vegan and cruelty free beauty brand. I'm talking about Indulge Essentials. I have also talked about the brand a lot of time on my channel. I personally really love their hair revitalizer. I love their rose gold facial oil and their 24 karat facial gel. which I have already included in my top 10 facial moisturizers video. This is again a really good clean beauty brand. You should give this a shot. The products are very luxurious, they are very rich, and they perform really well. Especially their facial oils are my favorite. In fact, I have recently tried one of their pore minimizer face mask and face mist. It's again a really beautiful product. You should give them a shot. Next brand is not a new brand, and I'm sure you must have heard me talking about them gazillion times. I'm talking about Sugandha. So Sugandha is also an all natural handmade beauty brand, and the owner is Bindu. I have been using Sugandha products for I think more than 2 years now, and their products have performed amazingly on my skin. In fact, I have recommended them to so many people, and I have received such a good feedback, especially about their AHA serum, which is amazing if you have pigmented skin. I used it for almost 1.5 years. I've just taken a break because my skin was feeling very sensitive, because AHA is like an exfoliating serum. It takes care of uneven skin tone, it takes care of pigmentation, it evens out your skin tone. It's such an amazing and wonderful product. 2 years back there were not too many AHA serums in India. Right now we have seen a lot of brands coming up with exfoliating serums, but Sugandha was my first, and after that I tried Ordinary. But I can definitely compare it very well to any high-end beauty brand. So they again do not have too many products. I think they have 7 to 8 products in the portfolio, and all the products are really good, minimalistic. So do give them a shot. I really love their AHA serum, their antioxidant serum. They also have a BHA serum, which is amazing for those who have acne prone skin. And then their Centella face wash, I really like it. I have gone through I think 4 bottles of that face wash. It's really amazing, very gentle for dry skin, a perfect face wash. Then I'm going to talk about Shesha Beauty. Shesha Beauty is new on my list. uh, it's a Kerala based brand that has 100% natural, 100% pure ingredients in the formulations. They are again cruelty free, paraben free, silicone free, and they make amazing products. All the products are based on Ayurvedas, and they have some really potent products like their Nalapramadi Telam is really good, and I really like their Kasturi Manjal face pack. They have their pure rose water, and I am also testing out a couple of products from them. I'm a blogger, I review and I receive a lot of products from a lot of brands, and that's what I do. I change my routine every other month and see how those products are performing, so that I can give you guys a review, a view, experience as to how those products perform, so that you guys can spend your penny judiciously after thinking and after seeing the results. So this is again a really good brand which is free from artificial fragrance and colorants. This is made in Kerala, a very beautiful homegrown brand, so do check it out. Next we are going to talk about Vilva. Vilva is again not a new brand here. I have already talked about them. I have already done a video for them. I'm going to link it up on the top somewhere. So Vilva is again a natural brand with a sustainable approach, and their products are almost plastic free, and they come in those tin packaging. The shampoo, the goat milk shampoo, is a winner. I really love their Deo Shot, again a really good product. I personally really love their Honey Fix face wash. It's an amazing face wash, very gentle for dry skin. In fact, it's suitable for all skin types because honey has exfoliating properties, so it makes your skin really soft and smooth, and it is very gentle. The ingredients in their formulations is mostly organic and is ethically sourced, and the packaging is mostly biodegradable. That's what I wanted to say when I said sustainable, because the packaging is mostly biodegradable. I think all of their products come in those tin cases, tin bottles, tin cans, but yes, pumps are of plastic. Most of the brands have the pumps that are plastic. I don't think they have an alternative. Otherwise, all of them have either glass bottles or metal jars, metal containers, aluminium containers, which are biodegradable. So do check out Vilva as well. Very beautiful brand, and very good quality products they make. Next is YBP, again a brand you might have already seen me talking about here. The YBP has some really amazing skincare products. In fact, they do not have too many products in their skincare range. I am a loyal user of their Plant Remedy. I have been using YBP Plant Remedy facial oil for I think more than 4 months now. That's the oil I use every night before going to bed, and it has worked tremendously on my skin. It's like you're feeding your skin with goodness of plant extracts. All the products are 100% plant based, 100% pure and raw. They do not dilute or adulterate it in any way. So whatever you are getting is in the purest form. They also have their 100% pure argan oil. They have a YBP plant remedy salve, which is like almost like a butter. You apply it on your face before going to the bed in the night. And I also have it. I use it twice a week because right now it's pretty hot here in Delhi, so I do not use it every night. But it is a very, very beautiful sleeping mask kind of product. You just put it on and just go to sleep. It feeds and nourishes your skin, and your skin feels so beautiful and smooth next morning. But this is a beautiful, beautiful brand, Dr. Chet. So Dr. Chet is again not a new brand here. I've already talked about their products a lot. I personally really love their Cica and Ceramide serum. I really love their eye cream. I have used the eye cream and recommended it to so many people around me, and that eye cream actually really, really works. It's a really good formula. And the brand is again cruelty free, vegan, non-toxic, formulated for Indian skin tone, customized and specially designed for Indian skin tone because our skin is prone to pigmentation. So that was about it. I think I have covered 10 brands that I personally love using, and I have personally tried and tested, and they have worked really well for me. Apart from these, I will be exploring more brands in future videos. In fact, I am waiting for a couple of products to arrive, and whenever I receive the product, I'm going to do a haul video so that you guys know what new brands I have discovered, what new products I have discovered, what my initial thoughts are. So I am thinking of doing a video on the makeup products that these indie small homegrown brands have. I'm going to list down the products that I personally love from these brands, and I'm going to link them also. So if you are interested, you can try those out. Yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.